Hey everyone, this is Nourin and welcome back to a new session of English with me. Learning English can feel overwhelming, especially when it comes to building your vocabulary. But what if I told you that you can learn 10 new words every single day? Yes, it is possible. And in today's video, I'm going to share a super simple plan that will help you learn and actually remember these words in a way that you can use it in your real life. Why 10 words a day? Let's first see why this technique works. Why not 20 words or 30 words or 5 words? Learning 10 words a day isn't just easy to manage. Just think about it. Learning 10 words a day can add up to 300 words a month. That is not simple. This adds up very quickly. Now think about a year. In a year, you will have a vocabulary of more than 3,600 words. That's powerful, right? These words can help you understand and speak English more fluently. So let's see how this can be done. How can you learn 10 words a day easily? Before learning 10 words, you should be very careful about the words that you choose. Choose your words wisely. Start with words that you will actually use. Think about your daily life. Why are you learning English? Are you learning English for work, travel, school, or for any other purpose? Choose words that fit your purpose. I'll give you an example. If you are learning English for work, you need to first learn words like deadline, report, email, etc., which is very useful in a working environment. The words that is very useful or is used commonly in a working environment. Now for everyday life, you can pick words like grocery, kitchen, utensils, traffic, door, table, pen, picture, outdoor, etc. Now after choosing the 10 words, the next step is breaking down your English learning step. First, you should write down the 10 words. Start writing the 10 words of the day in a notebook or on your phone. Seeing the words is the first step to remembering them. So you should first write it down. Write the 10 words in a book or on your phone. Second one is understanding their meaning. Look up the meaning in the dictionary or an app, but don't just stop there. Read the English sentence to understand how the words are used. To know how a new word is used in a sentence, you need to first read a sentence. Next thing you need to do is to associate with your life. Okay, now before moving to that step, I'll tell you my experience. So before explaining you this technique, I just tried this technique myself. I just tried following these steps. I chose 10 new words, I wrote it down and I looked for its meaning and a sentence or 2-3 sentences. I read 2-3 sentences where this word was used and I finished everything. I stopped there and I closed my notebook. I went back to sleep and the next day morning, I couldn't remember any of these words. Okay, 1 or 2 words. I remember 1 or 2 words, but that too not very easily. I thought about that word for a very long time and then I recollected 1 or 2 words. So from this I understood that you shouldn't stop your learning just there. Like after writing down 10 new words, after looking for its meaning, you shouldn't stop in the first 2 steps. You should create your own sentences with those words. For example, if the word is delicious, you can say this cake is so delicious. Associate it with your daily life. This can help them stick. The next step is to repeat, repeat and repeat. Okay, now I'll tell you my story. After learning 10 new words, after associating it with my life, I stopped it there. Like I created some sentences with those words and then I stopped it. But then I understood, still I cannot recollect those words easily. It was a bit difficult for me. So the next step is compulsory to remember these words. That is, repeat, repeat and repeat. Reviewing the words that you learned throughout the day is compulsory. You should write it down, write them again, say it aloud, and try to use them in conversations whenever you can. When you're talking to your friend, try to use these new words. If you're talking in your native language, just try to add these English words somewhere. Try to include it in your real life conversations. Also, you can use different tools and tricks. You can use flashcards, make paper flashcards, write this word on one side and its meaning on the other side and show yourself this flashcard and try to recollect its meaning and try to make a sentence out of it. Or you can use sticky notes. Try to write the word on a sticky note and place them somewhere you will always see, like on the refrigerator or on the table, your mirror, or somewhere where you always see them. Or you can try for example, let's take window. You wrote window on a sticky note and you can stick it near the window so that whenever you look near the window, you can remember the word window. Instead of your native language word, you can remember the English word window. You can also record yourself repeating these words, their meaning, making your own sentences, and you can listen to them in your free moments, like when you're cooking or traveling, driving. Whenever you are free, you can listen to them if you record them. You can try different tricks like this, sticky notes, flashcards, recording them. You can try these tricks to remember those words and to listen to those words continuously in a day. Practice speaking the words. Learning new words isn't just about knowing those new words. You need to use them. Try using them aloud. For example, if your new word is appointment, just make a sentence out of it and say it aloud like, I have a doctor's appointment tomorrow. This not only improves your pronunciation, when you're speaking it aloud, it improves your pronunciation, but also it can improve your confidence. Also try to challenge yourself. Challenge yourself to use the 5 new words out of the 10 you learned today in your conversations. If you are shy to talk to someone like your friend or family, if you are shy to make a conversation, just pretend you are talking to your friend or your family and just practice speaking out these words aloud in a conversation. Like pretend you are talking to your friend and try to use these words in your conversation. Next important thing to remember is to stay consistent. Learning 10 words a day is effective only if you are consistent. Make it a part of your daily routine, like brushing your teeth or having a morning coffee. Dedicate a specific time, 15 minutes in the morning or 15 minutes in the evening. You can choose your time, but try to be consistent. Try to follow learning the 10 new words every day. And remember, it's okay if you forget some words. Consistency and repetition are the key to remember these words for a long time. So try to be consistent and try to be repetitive. Repeat these words weekly or monthly. I'll make another video on repeating these words in an order so that you won't forget these words forever. You will remember these words lifelong if you try to repeat this in a pattern. I'll try to make a video related to this topic soon. Don't be discouraged if your learning process is slow at first. Learning a new language is a journey and every step counts. So guys, this is all about learning over 3,600 words in a year. I hope this video was useful and don't forget to comment below the first word that you are going to learn today. Let's inspire each other. So, I'll be back with a new video soon. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Bye!